Welcome to my YouTube channel, The Stoic Sage, your guide to mastering life with wisdom, resilience, and the timeless principles of Stoicism. Title: How High-Value Men Speak to Women, Make Her Miss You Badly. High-Value Men in Stoicism Introduction. Ever wonder how high-value men communicate with women in a way that leaves a lasting impression? Here's the truth. It's not about smooth lines or fancy tricks. It's about mindset, emotional control, and respect, principles inspired by Stoic philosophy. Introduce the topic. High-value men don't chase, they attract. Their communication style is rooted in authenticity, confidence, and emotional stability. Explain how Stoicism helps men master their emotions and approach relationships with purpose and strength. Part 1. The Stoic Foundation for Communication. The one emotional control is power. Quote, "You have power over your mind, not outside events. Realize this, and you will find strength." Marcus Aurelius. High-value men don't let emotions control their words or actions. If she doesn't text back right away or gives mixed signals, they don't overreact. They remain calm and centered. Teach. Take a deep breath, pause, and assess the situation rationally instead of acting impulsively. 2. Respect yourself. First, a high-value man knows his worth and doesn't compromise his values or self-respect to please someone else. Explain. You set the tone for how others treat you. If you respect yourself, she'll sense it and respect you too. Example. Don't drop everything for her attention. Stay focused on your goals, and she'll value your time more. Part 2. Communication Strategies of High-Value Men. 501 to 12:00. 3. Speak with purpose. High-value men are intentional with their words. They don't ramble or try too hard to impress. They speak clearly and confidently. Tip: instead of trying to be funny or entertaining all the time, ask meaningful questions and actively listen. Example: what's something you've always wanted to do but haven't yet? This sparks intrigue and shows genuine interest. Create mystery and space. Don't reveal everything about yourself all at once. High-value men understand the power of leaving some things unsaid to maintain intrigue. Reverse psychology. Show her you're interested, but don't over-pursue. She'll naturally want to know more about you when you're not always available. 5. Be assertive, not aggressive. Confidence is attractive, but arrogance is a turnoff. Stoics emphasize calm assertiveness, knowing what you want and expressing it with kindness. Example: if you want to go out on a date, say, "Let's grab coffee on Saturday at that new spot downtown." You'll love it. Maintain a positive energy. Avoid complaining, gossiping, or negativity. High-value men bring a positive, calming presence into conversations. Teach. Focus on uplifting topics and finding humor in situations. But don't force it. Be authentic. Part 3. Making her miss you 7. Focus on your purpose. High-value men prioritize their goals and personal growth over chasing relationships. Women are naturally drawn to men with a clear sense of direction and ambition. Key point: don't center your life around her. Instead, let her see you as a man who's driven and focused. 8. Be unpredictable. Routine kills excitement. High-value men keep things fresh and exciting by being a little unpredictable in their communication and actions. Example: instead of texting her, "Good morning" every day, occasionally send her something unexpected, like a funny meme or an interesting article. 9. Leave the conversation or something. Don't overstay your welcome in a conversation. End chats or calls on a high note, leaving her wanting more. Teach. It's better to leave her thinking about you than wondering why you're still talking. Friend, invest wisely. High-value men don't overinvest in someone who isn't reciprocating. They understand the importance of mutual effort in relationships. Teach. If she's pulling away, don't chase. Step back and let her come to you. Part 4. Stoic Practices to Build Your Value 11. Practice detachment. Quote, "You don't have to turn this into something. It doesn't have to upset you." Marcus Aurelius. Don't cling to the outcome of any interaction. Whether she's interested or not, you remain centered and focused on your own journey. 12. Gratitude over scarcity. High-value men operate from a mindset of abundance. If one woman isn't interested, they're grateful for the opportunity to learn and grow. Teach. Focus on the positive experiences and lessons, rather than obsessing over what didn't work. 13. Build inner confidence. Confidence isn't something you fake. It comes from consistent self-improvement. Tip. Practice Stoic journaling, reflect on your values, and work on becoming the best version of yourself. 14. Embrace silence. Sometimes the most powerful thing you can say is nothing at all. Stoics believed in the power of silence as a way to command respect. Teach, pause before responding to ensure your words have impact. Conclusion. Reiterate, high-value men stand out not because of their looks or wealth, but because of their mindset, emotional strength, and ability to communicate with purpose. Tie back to Stoicism. Focus on controlling yourself, not others. When you master yourself, the world responds. End with a powerful quote. Waste no more time arguing about what a good man should be. Be one. Marcus Aurelius.